Princess parking. Yes, I got right out, walking right over. I haven't been to this DT in a little bit. Oh, they're taking down the V-Day. Oh, this is the DT I need a bag for. What is Hold on. You know this is the third card I grabbed. I don't know what's happening. Oh, here is that hop with the Easter bunny butts back here. You see what I mean? Oh, it's every other one. Miss Girl, I thought it was only one in here. It's every other one. Oh, my goodness. So that's rocking. Oh, I feel like this one might be new. I don't remember one with the carrot. Bunny crossing, right? This going on right here, this one. Happy Easter. I do love them. I'm just trying to get away from the signs. I don't know how it's going to work out for me, though. Yes, this was just sitting here. Pete the cat ready for spring. You know Kara is all about it. She going to be like, no, thank you. I'm going to get it anyway. In the cart. Yes, it's another one. Spring fun. Let me see. Oh, he in the basket with the eggs rocking. This used to be my favorite, right? Connecting the numbers and things. You know we read Pete the Cat every night. I think we're reading Hickory Dickory Dock now during Valentine's Day. It was a whole thing. He was making Valentine's Day cards for the bus driver and everybody. It was a whole thing. In the cart. Oh, they have these here. That is cute. I don't know what is going on with me and Winnie the Pooh lately. That is cute. Holding the eggs, right? Who's that? Minnie. Rocking. I see Stitch. Right? Yeah, I think I'm going to grab Pooh and Minnie. Yes. In the cart. Oh, you better stop it on that. The napkin ring. How adorable is that? That is cute. I don't need it. I'm not rolling any napkins, but that is super cute. Yes, on the salt and pepper. Right? The bunny and the carrot is rocking. In the cart. And the eggs. How super cute is this? The salt and pepper shakers. That is adorable. In the cart. Here are the egg trays. Isn't that so darn cute? The pink, the blue, the green. I think that's purple down here. Yeah. Yes, on the containers. They are rocking in here. That is cute. Oh, yeah. I was going to say, oh, it's two pieces. Get ready to get all excited. Ow! It is two pieces. I was thinking the top and the bottom. Miss Girl, it's another one in there. I see the purple top. You better stop it on that. In the cart. Oh, here are the popcorn holders, the 2Ps. I'm down here on the floor. That, and then the 6 tumblers here. Oh, that's cute. Bunny kisses. Welcome to the egg hunt. Oh, those are super cute. Sydney is my popcorn girl. Oh, I wanted to pull it out. So it's the one with the eggs and the one in the basket with the bunny. What's that say? Happy Bunny Day. Oh, that's funny. I don't need 4, and I'm trying to figure out which ones I need. Happy Bunny Day. Like, that's super cute, right? I keep looking at that one. I'm going to grab that one. The chick is rocking on the side. In the cart. Yes, on the plates. Oh, my goodness. Aren't they so pretty? Hold on. Oh, nice. And here are the eggs. So, the blue. Oh, this has the eggs on it, too. The eggs, the flowers, everything is rocking on this one. And then this one just has the eggs. That's pretty. And then they have the bunny heads. It's 10 plates in here. So that's rocking. You know what? I keep coming across these. I need to grab them now before they won't be here. I'm going to just get one of each, the pink and the blue. I started to just get pink, and then hubby would have been like, where's the blue? In the cart. Oh, nice. Is this? Oh, yeah, it is $125. That's pretty big. With that burlap butt. That is funny. The beans are rocking up here. What's this one look like? Hippity hoppity with the butt. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I don't remember seeing those. Here's more socks over here, too. The peeps. Oh, these are cute, actually. Yeah, so that's rocking. So I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure we're good to go. I'm looking. Guess what I don't see? I don't see no Bob rocking. This is the first time. He is always on the beach chair, chillaxing. Oh, look. Yeah, see? Winnie the Pooh. Look at these. These are nice. Those are cute. I think it's because it's the light. I don't need them. I just wanted to show you. Yes. Oh, here's that deodorant again. This is the only one I see. So I guess this is the only, I was going to say flavor, the only scent that I keep coming across. So, oh, here's that pretty polish again. I think I picked up this one, I feel like. And the white one, I think it came in white. So yeah, it's so pretty. I like that ball on the top. Grin clean between. The packaging is so bright. Oh my goodness. So that's rocking. So these three were up here. The nude, the berry, and the pink, right? This is the hydrating lip gloss. But now, darn, I can't remember what we saw. And remember they had like the red, and I forgot to pick up the red. I picked up every color but red. But I don't think it was this. I can't remember. But these three are rocking. This is Beauty Intuition. Yes. I don't remember seeing these by Bolero. Is that Bolero? Jelly Facial Cleanser. Papaya and vitamin E. Rose Hip and vitamin A. I almost couldn't say that. Yeah, that one. This is an energy boost. Vitamin C and cucumber. And then this is a jelly, but this isn't. Oh, they all look the same though. It just doesn't say jelly. And this is clarified. Rose water and green tea. I don't remember these unless the packaging is different. So that's rocking. I know I saw one of these. I just don't remember which one. The Pacific Foods. They're organic, creamy tomato, and then the roasted red pepper and tomato. So yeah, that's rocking. Yes. Does this mean I'm getting close? Right. Seriously spooky. The kitchen towel. Nightmare Before Christmas. Look. All right. I'm seeing a little bit. I just got so super excited. Yes. Yes. You better stop it on that. And if I was going to pick up anything, it would be oven mitts. 100%. I go through them so fast. Look at the black and white. Yes, on that. Minnie acting all shy. In the cart. Miss Girl, wait, my neck. I have to bring it down. I had to put them in the cart. It's so many. So it looks like 6 different ones. True Love since 1928. Wow, you better stop it on that. And then this one right here. You see how they just, falling in the cart? Yes, on that. Yes, that one. Don't fall. And this one right here. Wait, this is not the same one. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. In the cart. Here are some more pie holders. Nightmare Before Christmas. Are these the same? Oh yeah, I just picked them both up. Yes. There's a whole thing in here. I gotta get them. I mean, I need them. Oh my goodness. So all 6, right, of the pie holders. The Sassy Mini, the True Love since 1928, right? This one. Yes. The faces. Oh my goodness. Yes on that. It was a whole thing. You see them rocking up there, like literally going back and forth, because it was a whole situation of me trying to get it down. Yes, on Winnie the Pooh. So I picked up the rocking one, right? Wait a minute, my neck. So Stitches up there. We saw the other one, Nightmare Before Christmas, and another Stitch. Yeah. All right, here we go. Girl, my neck. Oh my goodness. So yes on that. Isn't that so darn pretty? You know what it is? I feel like in some sense he reminds me a little bit of Hershey, like that little plumpy plump, right? Like Hershey is. I think that's what it is. I feel like I'm putting my finger on it. So yes, in the cart. Oh, nice. I am so excited right now. Oh my goodness. I'm ready to go. I don't even want to keep looking, Miss Girl. So they have these. They have a bunch. The last time I saw them, it was only a couple. So it's only this size, I feel like. This is the only one I keep seeing. They're so pretty. Pack of 2. I done worked up an appetite. Let me grab a power blend in the cart. Hubby was like, when you go to Dollar Tree, can you grab a dustpan? Oh my goodness. In the cart. Oh, here we go. He did say a little one. I'm gonna get them both just in case. In the cart. I'm tired now. That was a whole workout. I just wanted to peek the cleaning stuff to see if I was missing anything. All right, let me see what's rocking. I'm so tired now. Oh my goodness. But yes. Yes on all of this. So it's 6, right? So I got the oven mitts down here and the pot holders. Hubby with the dustpan and brushes, right? Winnie the Pooh is rocking with his cutie cute self. Girl, I forgot what I put in here. Yes, on the containers, right? Oh, I threw these in here. Some straws. Pete the cat is rocking all the way down there. I forgot he was in here. Some socks, right? The pillowcases. Oh, the popcorn things. I forgot about those too. Yes on the eggs. These are for you. I don't need them. Yes on the bunny and the carrot. This dude is having a whole conversation. Hold on. All right, I'm back. I had to wait for him to get done. That was the whole thing. So, yes on the bunny and the carrots, right? But I grabbed one for you and me. So, boom on that. Here is mine. And then the power blend. I need to pop this open in the car. I'm hungry now. So, yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. I forgot again that this is the DT with no bags. Miss Girl, all this stuff in here. I have Princess Park and I might have to run out and grab a bag and come back. All right, bye. Oh, we did see these. This is the one I picked up. As soon as I saw it, I like it too. All right, bye.